So Grandad has discovered that it still doesn't work very well after he's had a play.
Still got an intermittent fault, so the only thing to do is to solder the wires directly onto the circuit board.
So this is real stuff now. So we've got to solder them onto those little prongs. So he's turned his soldering iron on. So he's up in the plug. He's on that piece of wood you brought down, which was very handy. And he's now going to solder those wires on there without a connector. Because you can know he could do that. So no connections, just going to go straight on. That means that when you play with it, you have to be very careful. You don't knock the connection. Because it's got no pretty white connection blocks. It will just be wires connected to the circuit board. So Grandad's now put in special covers.
Well, let's just tin the wires first.
He's got to tin the wires. So he's got to put solder over the wires. You watching? There you go. Tinning wires. This is specialist stuff, Lewis. And then he puts a special cover, if Nanny videos it properly, over. Can you see the special cover? The little cover? And then he's going to connect.
Yeah, trouble is I need to get in there to see.
Hang on, Nanny's in the way. So you watch the smoke. When you see the smoke, you know that the solder is working. Ready?
You come around this side.
I think Grandad's saying Nanny's getting in the way. Need some light on it. Where's that torch? There should be some smoke. We can see the smoke. I can see it. There's some smoke. He's run out of solder, so he's got to put more solder on it. Be very careful of that joint. That looks good. Looking good, Grandad. Now watch what he does. He puts that special cover on it and he's going to touch the special cover and that will shrink to make it fit over the joint.
It's one. Where's he gone?
What's my God? His special cover. Get in there and have a good look. I hope this video sends because it's going to be very long. Right, number 2. Oh, did you see that smoke where he was loading up his soldering iron? There it goes. Loading it up. Did Grandad put the cover on it?
Can't see.
That looked good, Grandad. Looks very good. Oh, there he goes. The cover's going on. I know
There's a little bit of solder between it there.
Oh dear, he's got to sort the solder out. Did you see that? That's it. Now he's got to shrink that one, the cover. It looks like it needs shrinking a bit more, Grandad. That's not very tight. Keep shrinking. It was a bit baggy around the top.
That's alright, ain't going to come off.
Okay. Now, Bluetooth on. Let's see if it... Don't run over the soldering iron with your robot. That connecting better? Yay! First time connection. Is the light working, Grandad? Turn it round. Is that light working? Oh wow, it's red. Was there a blue light? I saw a blue light before, I thought.
No, it's just one colour.
Is it just red? It must be Nanny thinking she saw different colours. That's looking good. Did his head move?
Yeah.
Your robot is now finished.
Repaired.
All repaired. And he's got his special connection that no other robot's got because Grandad needed it. See? Very special connections. All soldered. I'm going to say bye-bye, robot. You have to pick him up on Tuesday. Bye-bye. Say see you Tuesday. You saying bye, Lewis. Bye-bye. I think he said then, see you Tuesday. Oh, I'm sure he said that. Bye.